Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know the top 5 Terraria texture packs you need to try out. Number 1. Jamal's Official Texture Pack. This is one of the older packs, but still a fan favourite. This gives Terraria a cartoonish, more vibrant look while staying faithful to the base style. Every block and entity has been touched up, including bosses like the Eye of Cthulhu. The trees in particular stand out, more lively and detailed than vanilla. This is great for players who want a brighter, fresher aesthetic without straying too far. Number 2. Backgrounds or plenty. This enhances Terraria's backgrounds to feel more complex, immersive, and dynamic. It's subtle but impactful. Backgrounds look just slightly better without distracting. This makes exploration more atmospheric while preserving the cool feel of the game. Number 3. Frigid Backgrounds or Plenty, Holiday Edition. This is a festive snowy twist on the Backgrounds or Plenty pack. This alters all background with a winter-themed aesthetic, chilly skies, frosty lands, etc. It's perfect for holiday playthroughs or players who love cozy, snow-filled vibes. Number 4. Melster's Minecraft Texture Pack. This is a massive crossover pack that reimagines Terraria with the Minecraft style aesthetic. This features Minecraft-inspired UI and sound effects, weapons like the Terra Blade redesigned, merchants and NPCs reskinned, skies, backgrounds, and many blocks redesigned in blocky Minecraft fashion. And number 5. Calamity Texture Pack. This is the most dramatic of the packs showcased. It's designed to pair with the Calamity mod. This transforms Terraria into a darker, more serious game world. Weapons, bosses, and blocks redesigned with high detail. Even iconic bosses like Skeletron Prime look far more menacing. Buildings and structures take on a grim, intense aesthetic. This is perfect for players who want a grittier, less whimsical experience. If you're interested in playing any co-op games with your friends, head over to Server.pro as we host a ton of games. Bye guys!